everyone is doing well. Happy holidays. This video is gonna be a tour of my family living room. These pictures that are shown are pictures of my sofa that I've had from since 2006. It is now 2020. So I'm finally getting rid of this sofa and I'm getting ready to get a new sofa. So I'm gonna basically show you guys what I did with this space. This is my formal living room. This is my family living room. It is very occupied. We always use this room to watch TV, to just lounge, to play games. So I want to show you guys what I did with this space. First, we went to Big Lots and I fell in love with this sofa. The sofa was only $2.99 and it was on sale. My sofa has just got delivered. I can't wait to decorate my house now. Oh, my house looked like a mess. Time to decorate. So we got two sofas. So one thing that I didn't like about this sofa is that it had these plastic legs, these triangle plastic legs. So I went ahead and bought some wooden legs from Amazon. The link will be in the description below. So my husband is just drilling in the hardware on the back of the sofa, and it's pretty simple. So not much to it. It's only 3 screws. You put the feet into the hole, the threaded hole that comes with the hardware, and that's pretty much it. After everything is set up, I will be giving you a tour of my family room area. I do apologize for the non-traditional Christmas music because Sister Girl has no time for copyright strikes. So I hope you do enjoy this video, and I will be telling you where I got everything from. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment and I will be happy to answer them. Alright, so that's about it. So this video is not sponsored, but I am gonna let you know now that all my throw pillows and throws came from the at-home store. All of them. I always tend to go there when they're having a flash find sale. So that's a great time to pick up anything in that store. These 2 Christmas trees and a garland was part of a 5-piece set from the at-home store at a flash find. Once again, that's the best time to get anything from the at-home store. These gold reindeers are from the at-home store as well. The fur collar is a DIY that I did. It's very simple. This Christmas tree was from Walmart and it was only $40. It is a pencil Christmas tree and it's either 7.5 or an 8 feet tall Christmas tree. And like I said, all my throw pillows and throws are from the at-home store. Excuse the way how my pillow is looking. My husband just got up from there and of course didn't fix it. The mirror table that's in the middle, of course, is a DIY that both me and my husband did. The ottomans, one of the black ottoman is from that home store, the black and gold ottoman. The other black and gold ottoman is from the marketplace. The 2 square black ottomans are from the marketplace and the gray ottomans is from the at-home store. We do a lot of entertaining and seating is something that I want to make sure that I have enough of, but it doesn't look tacky. So ottomans to me are a good way to have a seating area but not make the place look so cluttered, because you can easily push them to the side or push them under a table. These two great chairs that faces the fish tank came from Amazon. Just wanted to show you guys our cichlid fish tank. It's a real conversation piece when anyone comes over and they're in the family room. And the newest addition to our family room is this tank full of babies. One of our fish gave birth to all these babies. So this is a close-up of our DIY table, which still looks magnificent. If you have not seen that video, I'll be sure to link it above so you could check that video out, how me and my husband put this table together from scratch. The cone in the middle, the Christmas tree cone, came from Big Lots. The reindeer throw pillows came from the at-home store, like I said. This gold sequence reindeer came from Big Lots as well. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a very happy, healthy, and safe holiday. See you guys in the next video.